Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the third week of computer system security. You have had a easy time with this course so far. Please feel free to email me if you have any question or you have any comment about the course. So, uh, in this lecture that we are gonna start this week, we're gonna talk about. And let me share my screen so that maybe I can uh, talk about things better. Yeah. Yeah, here we are going to, in this lecture two, we are going to talk about cyber attacks. And of course, there are many, many different types of cyber attacks. We review the most important ones. We will be talking about two major types of cyber attacks, malicious software or something which is called malware. There are different types of malwares. We'll be talking about them. We review them. We discuss their details and how they're different, what is their action mechanisms, and how they're going to distribute among different, for example, computers over network, or how, the way that they kind of copy themselves. We talk about that. And the second part of the lecture is about denial of service attacks. Denial of service, which is also called sometimes DOS, is a kind of major class of attacks. And you'll see that it's a difficult type of attack to deal with, and at the same time, it's in some cases it's very easy to conduct. So these are the two important types of or classes of attacks or cyber attacks that we will be talking about them in this lecture. In addition to these, there is an extra uh, resource that I'm willing to add to my previous recordings about IBM resources. IBM has a plenty of resources for cybersecurity. There is a specific resource that matches our lecture, and that's the resource IBM have, and it allows us to live monitor attacks that are happening around the world, and that happens through the IBM servers that they collect information, and then those information are available for researchers and for developers so that they know what types of attacks are now being done, and if any type of new attack is being detected through that system, everybody as a designer or security engineer can be aware of and can think about it, decide about it, stuff like that. So that extra resource, I'll be sharing it with you. Not probably this week, because I want you first initially get familiarized with the concepts of malware, and then probably a little bit denial of service, and then that's that should be a good time for us to review that resource. So sometimes next week, in the videos of next week, or maybe the week after, with the normal lecture videos that I upload, I also upload another video which is up kind of a new version of addition to the course that talks about that IBM resource, IBM QRadar. It's a great resource. IBM has developed that over the past few years, and it's a very big resource. Everybody can have some sort of access. Of course, if you want to use it as a organization, you need to kind of have some sort of contract or payment to IBM. But for us as students who wants to learn about cybersecurity, it's a free resource. I'll be talking about it in details later. So yeah, enjoy this week, and please feel free to email me if you have any question or if you have any comment. I have received some, I would say, few emails about attendance code. No worries if you enter the attendance code and it says that it's wrong, because it's case sensitive in most cases, and you may not notice that, or you may not exactly enter it the way I asked. If you enter twice and you say and you receive the kind of feedback that it says it's not correct, just email me saying that you have entered it and this is what you think that the code is, and I can go on Blackboard and manually mark you as present. That I have did this for already for a number of you, those have had problem and emailed me. So feel free, email me saying that, hey, Dr. Patuki, we entered the code, but you're still saying me that it's incorrect. I will manually override that grade for you so that it means that you are present. That's what I want. I want you to watch the videos and come up with questions. Please feel free to ask me questions. Please feel free to use the course discussion forum to start conversation with your friends about the topics of the course. These are all resources that you might be used at some point. Of course, there is no push for any of them, but it's good to use resources. So yeah, I have no more comments for this week, and I hope you enjoy the lectures and talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day.